Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore.
Hello and welcome back, line dancers. Here we are going to be learning problematic. It is a really nice high intermediate dance, quick waltz. It's a 48 count, 2 waltz. This was choreographed by Dan Morrison from Canada. So we are going to get started. So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to go into step by step. I'm going to break it down. Then we're going to do it again with all the names of the steps, one after the other. Then we add the count so we can practice. And at the end, as usual, we put music and have some fun together. Yay? All right, let's get started. All right, so we're going to start with body weight on the left. First thing we want to do is going to step back with the right, touch as we cross the left in front and we hold. Step forward with the left, sweep with the right, and we're going to do a crossover, open, cross, step together. Step to the side, drag together. Now we're going to do a quarter turn as we come through here with the left foot. We do a pivot. The left foot is at the front. Step forward with the right. Touch behind with your left and back with a coaster. We're going to continue. We're going to do it an angle. We're going to do a step, lock, step with the right. Step, lock, step with the left. Going into the corner now, step forward, touch, and hold. We're going to go back, behind, cross, forward, hold here. In the other corner, back again, step, Caesar cross, on a quarter turn, step, 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 and starts all over again. Yes. All right. Let's do it one step at a time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, hold, step, sweep, slow, cross, open back, step, touch, hold, step, hold, and touch, turn, turn, step, touch, hold, coaster step, step, lock, step, and step, lock, step, step, touch, hold, back, step, and step, touch, hold, back, and Caesar. 1, 2, and turn, 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 and step, and sweep, and a 1, 2, 3, step. Okay, so let's just now go with the count. In 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here starts all over again. Have fun.